Thank you for watching Go Yeah Reviews, where we review products so that you have information. Today's review should be really something because first you can probably tell that I'm in nature. Just quick, you can see the nature. And so this video is not only gonna have a demonstration, but there should be wildlife in this video. Nothing dangerous, but it should be pretty amazing. So today's product is the Bird Feeder's Choice. It's for wild birds only. Don't give this to calm birds, and it's a seed treat. It's a suet for year-round use, and it attracts wider variety of birds. There's some science, codes, ingredients. It's weird. It says there is beef. Didn't know that birds ate beef. It's probably just because they're the wild birds. And so let's get right into it so we can get to the demonstration. I already started opening the package with scissors so that it wouldn't take away too much time. So I'm just gonna try and open it. Nothing on the back of the package, and the directions. This is a little confusing because it doesn't say that these are the directions, but I spent time looking at this product and realized after reading this, these are right here under the bird is the directions. Remove wrap and insert into suet basket. This is the only thing that I really am a little miffed about, because it doesn't I don't think come with a suet basket. It doesn't tell you what a suet basket is, but I had a basket, and a basket's a basket, so I think this should be fine. So open this, and there it is. Ew. It's feels kind of like soap. I'm gonna give it a quick sniff. I wouldn't sniff it. It didn't smell good. And so let's I guess it comes out of the, put it upside down and try and, oh, it's really kind of gross. I don't know why a bird would like this, but okay, I'm gonna just set this down. There's a rock over here. I'm gonna put it on this rock, and hopefully we should see some wildlife any minute now. I probably should be whispering so that the birds don't get scared. This should be great, really interesting to see the wild birds. You can probably hear in the background there are some birds chirping. I don't know why they're not coming. I might be scaring the birds, so I'm gonna try and get in these bushes so that I'm not scaring them away. But these bushes have thorns, so I'm just gonna stand behind them a little bit. And we should see wildlife, birds. Okay, so there's no birds coming. Well, the video's getting kind of long already. See these birds around. I don't even see any. You would think they'd at least be checking it out by now, but I mean, I have no idea why this wouldn't be working. Alright. Well, unfortunately, again, I don't like to tell people to buy products or not buy products. Let me just get back so people know what the products is. This was a bird feeder's choice for wild birds only seed treat. It doesn't come with that basket. That's my basket. If you're interested in that basket, actually I don't know where I got that basket, so I can't tell you anything else. But this has been Go Yeah Reviews. Thank you for watching. I'm sorry that the wildlife wasn't there.